everyone, so today I want to show you how easy it is to set up a manual credit card fee. This gives you more control on what sales you want to apply this fee to, and it also shows you the amount that the fee will be before you apply any payment method to it. So to do this, you first want to go into Store Config and jump to Payment Types. And if you had previously set up a credit card markup markdown percentage, you just want to make sure that that is 0 so that you're not doubling the fee for your customer. So I'll hit save. And then once that's done, I am going to go into my inventory and I'm going to create a new item. So I'll go over here, select new item, and we recommend you call this maybe something that doesn't have the word fee in it, just so that it looks more friendly on the receipt. We oftentimes recommend a lost cash discount. And I'm just going to give it the category of fees. And then I'm going to scroll down and make sure that the is service box is checked. And then I'm going to scroll back up and go to my pricing tab. So in pricing, I want to ignore pretty much everything except for this right here where it says price is percent of subtotal. So I'm going to make that whatever my markup fee was. So for me it was 3%. And then I'm going to scroll down and make sure that I override default tax. This just doesn't add any extra tax to that item or that sale. And then I'll hit save. And now I have successfully created this item, so I can test it out by going into my sales screen. I'm just going to add an item into my sales screen. And then I will add that lost cash discount. And as you can see, it added the 3% fee, and I can just finish out the sale and complete it. If you are worried about forgetting to apply this to a sale, you can always have it show on your item grid whenever you're in the sales screen. So to do this, you first want to go into Store Config, and I'm going to go ahead and search for item grid, and I want to make sure that I always show my item grid, and then hit save. And then I want to go over into my categories. And some of you may already have your grid enabled, so you know how this works, but in case you don't, you just go into your categories, and since fees is the category that I want it to always show, I want to make sure that I uncheck this box. And you can see it's been updated, so now when I go back to my sales screen, you can see that the grid pops out, and I know that these are my fees, and I have some other fees, but you may just have this one, and you can go ahead and apply it to the sale that way. And that just gives you more of a visual so that you don't forget to apply that to your credit card sales.